Hello students, today we'll see star and delta connection and the transformation from delta to star and star to delta with some numerical problems. So star connection is generally used in long distance transmission lines as because the insulation requirement is less in star connection. So this is called as, this figure indicates a transmission network over long distance. Delta connections are generally used in distribution networks for short distances. It means that for short distances we use delta connection, for long distances we use star connection. So alternators and generators are usually connected in star. Alternators and generators converts mechanical energy into your electrical energy. So the main difference between the alternators and generators is, for alternators the output is AC only, but for the generator we may get AC or DC. And in alternators the starter is constant and the field system is rotating, and for generator it is the starter is moving and the field system is constant. The transformer windings are connected in star or delta connection. In this red square box some delta and star connections are given here. This is called as delta connection and this is your star connection. Generating transformer near to power plant generators are connected in star connection to provide grounding protection. AC motors windings are connected in star or delta connection depending upon requirement and application. So this is your AC motor winding. Star and delta connections are used in starting of three-phase induction motor using star delta starter. So this is called as a star delta starter. You will find this star delta starter near to your agriculture bore pump. Delta star starters are installed in cement industries for high inertial load applications, because for cement industries we need high inertia. So power capacitors in three-phase capacitor bank connections are either delta or star connected. So this is your power capacitors. The application of such connection is also used in HVDC, that is high voltage direct current systems. This application of this star and delta connections is also used in Wheatstone bridge resistance measurement device. Star delta transformations and equivalent circuit calculations help in simplification and understanding of complex electrical circuits. Star or delta connection is an arrangement of passive elements. So what are the passive elements we have seen? Resistor, inductor and capacitor, such that the formed shape resembles a star or delta. It means that a star and delta is already we have seen the connection of resistor, capacitor or inductor in series or parallel. Here we are having one more way we can connect resistor, inductor or capacitor in star and delta form. So star and delta it is neither a parallel or nor series. These connections are neither series nor parallel. Such connections are simplified using star delta and or delta to star conversion. Such connections are found in complex DC circuits, full bridge rectifiers. Such connections has large applications in three-phase AC systems. Now this is your star. So if you have observed, so this is here one resistor is here, we are having three resistors. When the three resistors are connected like this, it means that they are said to be in star connected. So each resistor is having 2 points or 2 terminals. So in star connection, we are having a common point which connects all the resistors one end. So this point is called as neutral point. This point is called as neutral point. Star connection is also known as T network. So if you observe, so this is like a T. How we write T? So this is your T. So the star connection is also called as T connection, and star connection is also called as Y connection. So the left side is called as, left side resembles a T shape and the right side resembles a Y shape. Y shape. Names for star connection is T connection or Y connection. So to identify a star connection, there is a common point for all resistors. At common point, at one point, all the resistors are connected and other ends are open. Three ends of the resistors are connected in Y or in star fashion. A common node point of a star connection is also known as neutral. So this is your neutral point. So this is called as a neutral point. Three ways in which star connection may appear in a circuit. So while solving a star to delta connection or delta to star connection, the star connection may appear in these ways. So this is also called as, if the resistors are, if the elements are arranged like this, it is called as star connection, because here we are having a common point. If it is arranged like this in the T shape, here we are having a common point and here you are having a common point. So in either of these forms, the star appears in a given circuit. And this is delta connection, when three resistors are connected in a fashion to form a closed mesh. So have you observed, in star connection, it is not a closed mesh. It is like all ends are open. But when you see the delta connection, in delta connection, it forms a closed mesh. So when three resistors are connected in a fashion to form a closed mesh or delta, the connection is known as delta connection. So this is called as delta connection. And one more, so this is also delta connection. If resistors are arranged like this, if resistors or capacitors or inductors, that is passive elements, if they are arranged like this, this is also called as delta connection. In delta connection, for 2 resistors you are having a common point. In star connection, for 3 resistors you are having common point. So this is a common point for these 2 resistors. This is a common point for these 2 resistors. This is a common point for these 2 resistors. So this is a common point for these 2 resistors. This is a common point for these 2 resistors. This is a common point for these 2 resistors. So you can draw like this also. This figure can be redrawn like this. Can I redraw this? So if I redraw this circuit, so this becomes a common point. So it is looking like a delta. So this is how it is looking. It is like a pi symbol. It is like a pi symbol. So if you observe this one, it is looking like a pi symbol. So for delta connection is also known as a pi connection. Delta connections which may appear in 3 ways. If in a circuit, if it appears like this is called as delta connection. If it appears like this, also called as delta connection. Delta connection. So to identify delta connection, we need to see a common point between 2 elements. If you have observed a common point between the 2 elements, then it is delta. If you have observed a common point between 3 elements, then it is called as star. In the next class, we will see delta to star transformation. So how to transform delta if delta is given, how to transform a delta given into the star.